man accused of shooting and killing Loyola University freshman Sheridan Gorman was in court today. He appeared virtually after missing Monday's hearing because he was in the hospital with tuberculosis. Our Sabrina Franza was in the courtroom today with more on what happened. Sabrina?
Marie, as the Gorman family prepares to say their final goodbyes to Sheridan Gorman this weekend, they also appeared virtually from their home state of New York on that same Zoom call as Gorman's alleged killer. There were students and colleagues from Loyola University in the courtroom as well, all of them listening to these harrowing details. From quarantine at Cermak Hospital in Cook County Jail, Jose Medina made his first court appearance isolated with tuberculosis. Prosecutors detailed Sheridan Gorman's final moments. The 18-year-old freshman at Loyola University and a group of her friends left a dorm early Thursday morning to look at the skyline along the lake. They took photos outside that building and on the beach before walking down the pier towards a lighthouse. Prosecutors say Gorman peered around the other side of that lighthouse, spotted a man in all black and wearing a ski mask. Quickly, she walked back to her friends and whispered a warning. Two of her friends spotted a gun on the man. Prosecutors say they ran for their lives as a singular gunshot rang out. After calling 911 and watching the gunman pace and leave the scene, Gorman's friends checked on her. She was unresponsive and later pronounced dead at the hospital. Police tracked down surveillance video that they say showed Jose Medina limping. He's seen entering and leaving his apartment building where he lived with his mother. We're told they found a gun that matched the shell casing at the scene, wrapped in a ski mask.
Right now, the best place for him is here in Chicago.
Medina's public defender made what she called an unusual request, asking for Medina to be detained because of the detainer ICE has already filed for his arrest. She says Medina entered the U.S. in 2023 seeking safety. He was born in Venezuela and already had fled to Colombia. She also claimed he was shot in the head during a 2018 robbery in Colombia, an incident which cost him a portion of his skull and brain. He reportedly asked to be sent back to Colombia after crossing the border into the U.S. in 2023, but claims he was sent to Chicago instead, where he contracted tuberculosis at a city migrant shelter. Court records show a warrant for Medina's arrest in 2023 following a shoplifting arrest. He'd missed that court date.
We are very concerned that if Jose was released, that he would be detained by ICE and transported to a third country where he, without the benefit of due process.
Now, there will be a community vigil as well as a memorial service for Gorman in her home state tomorrow. Meanwhile, Medina was held detained, and as was expected, the judge in this case did not mention anything about the detainer that ICE has requested. The immigration case will continue separately. His next court date is scheduled for April 15th. From the Cook County Criminal Courthouse, Sabrina Franza, CBS News, Chicago.